I've been a web designer for 18 years and most of the time I've been working from home. So when the pandemic started, it wasn't a big change for me. So the first thing is build a nice, comfortable work area. Try to make it as enjoyable as you can, the right amount of noise and light, the right temperature. Hey, you're home, right? You might as well enjoy it. Number 2, keep snacks and drinks in the fridge for your occasional enjoyment. You don't have to be eating all the time, but a snack from time to time is not bad. Number 3, keep your work area clean. It will help you stay focused and get things done faster. Number 4, reduce distractions. This can be different for everyone. In my case, random email notifications make me lose my train of thought, so I turn them off and proactively check my email every 30 minutes to respond to clients. Number 5, watch your overall well-being. This means take care of your mental and physical health. I will explain with more details in tips 6, 7, 8, and 9. Number 6, take breaks. Stand up, stretch, walk, go to the restroom, talk to your family, then get ready to go back to work with batteries recharged. Number 7, invest in accessories that will help you do a better work. A good chair will do wonders for your back and overall posture. A good keyboard and a mouse. I use Apple's Magic Keyboard and Magic Trackpad and I have no complaints. I also use the AirPods Pro and the noise cancelling feature helps me stay isolated from the outside world when I need to really focus. Spare no expense, trust me, the long-term return will be greater. Number 8, get a good amount of sleep. It's easy to change your sleeping habits when you work from home, like going to sleep late or taking naps in the middle of the afternoon. Avoid this and you'll be more productive. Number 9, drink water. Yes, this will make you go to the restroom more often, but this will also improve your thinking process. And number 10, my last recommendation and certainly not the least important, pay attention to your loved ones. To work from home is a double-edged sword, and to keep a healthy balance between productivity and family matters can be difficult for the inexperienced, but I'll try to give you a few guidelines that will help. In the end, our jobs allow us to provide and take care of our families. It's pointless if we're productive at work but we have problems with our own family. Setting boundaries and expectations will make things easier, and it all depends on who are the people you live with. If you have a spouse and little children, maybe you can hire extra help or take turns to watch them if you both work from home. If you're alone with a small child like myself, explaining things in terms they can understand will help. I have my child doing school 4 days of the week. I live in a 1-bedroom apartment, so we both gotta be careful not intruding in the other's calls. If my son wants to be in the bedroom, I work in the living room, and if he wants to work in the living room, I'll stay in the bedroom. I'm flexible with his needs and I can move around depending on what he wants. From time to time we also share the space, nothing wrong with that. It's actually nice to spend time together working side by side. It all depends on the situation or the kind of work we're both doing. What matters is that we're both comfortable. If my child is comfortable, he enjoys school more, stays focused, and by consequence helps me stay focused on my work. When I have breaks, I help him with homework or questions or use my breaks to ask him if he's alright. It's just a matter of finding the right rhythm. In conclusion, working from home can be an amazing experience if you pay attention to yourself, your family, your workspace, and try to make it work for everyone.